Introducing Helix Series 3020 Seamless Coated Gloves, a member of our Helix Core series family. Finely tuned seamless coated gloves for the manufacturing and construction industries. The Core Series, the balance of thin, cool, comfortable form fit, and safety performance with longevity. A dexterous 15-gauge HPPE steel and fiberglass blend knit with 360-degree ANSI ISEA level A5 cut resistance. A family with this consistent knit in a combination with various safety innovations for you and your crew to select the perfect match for your application. A favorite of manufacturing with touchscreen capabilities intact, the 3020 does it all, not to mention keeping wearers cooler with our exclusive knit and interior plating process. Wearing cool and dry on the inside and highly protective on the outside. The polyurethane palm is a versatile choice with great abrasion resistance that wears evenly and grips through dry, wet, and light oil situations equally well, including a reinforced thumb saddle, and launderable for extended life. Experience the latest high dexterity, high safety technology. The Core Series, manufacturing-focused innovation intertwined with safety within the Helix series. That's our DNA. If you have any questions about the Helix Core Series 3020, please contact us. Helix, every worker, every glove, every day.